channel. Today I will be doing a fall DIY Starbucks drinks video, and let me just tell you, Starbucks drinks are so expensive, but they're so freaking good and so addicting. So I wanted to do a video where you guys can make them at home, because let me just tell you, these drinks literally taste identical to the real Starbucks drink, and they cost like $1 to make. So I definitely recommend that you guys go make these drinks. And this video is a collab with XOX Angeleen. Angeleen is doing a trying fall Starbucks drinks for the first time. She does really interesting content. She meets YouTubers, like, it's crazy. She does lifestyle videos like me. Definitely check her out, and her channel will be linked down below. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. For the iconic pumpkin spice latte, you will be needing canned pumpkin. You can use real pumpkin, but canned pumpkin is just so much easier. You'll also be needing espresso. I'm not a huge fan of caffeinated drinks, but it works. You also need vanilla extract, and my container is super dirty, so sorry about that. You will also be needing sugar. Yes, I do keep mine in like a peanut jar. And you also need pumpkin pie spice. This is what gives the pumpkin spice latte all its flavor. And you will also be needing some milk. So the first step of this recipe is to put the milk in a measuring cup. You need 2 cups of milk, and I just poured it into a medium to small pan because we were just making about 1 to 2 servings, so there's not a whole lot. Along with the milk, you will be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to the mix. You will also be adding the canned pumpkin, and I couldn't find the can opener, so as you can see, I kind of ratchetly opened it, so please don't cringe while watching this, but I sure won't blame you. I forgot to record the clip, but you will also be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. After stirring, you're just going to put your pot on the surface and set the heat to about medium to low, and you're just going to keep it on there until it starts steaming. After setting the pot aside from the hot surface, you're just going to add your 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice and make sure to stir it in well. And thanks so much to Mia for helping me. After stirring, we're going to put the mixture into a blender. I use the Ninja blender. I definitely recommend Vitamix, but it is a very pricey blender, so the Ninja will do. I'm just going to blend it until it has a foamy texture, as you guys can kind of see. And I'm just going to pour it into my mug. To my surprise, it's actually served too, so me and Mia both tried it. I am super satisfied with how this turned out. I didn't think that it'd turn out that great, but it actually turned out very well. And as you guys can see, I've never used espresso before, so that's why my servings are a bit everywhere. I just sprinkled in some pumpkin pie spice, just add some more flavor, and I kind of eyeballed a lot of it. Mia really enjoyed this, and I did too. I didn't think it'd come out very well. It is really accurate to the pumpkin spice latte in like less than half the price, so it's totally worth trying, guys. This drink also tastes like 10 times better with whipped cream, so definitely make sure to include that. And Mia is like a boss at adding whipped cream, but as you guys can see, I kind of messed up, but it's okay. For the Starbucks S'mores Frappuccino, you will be needing some sugar and cocoa powder. I'm not sure if this drink is on the secret menu or if it's an actual drink, but let me tell you, it's delicious. You'll also be needing some milk and whipped cream, and let's be honest, whipped cream is the most important part. And you'll also be needing some graham crackers and marshmallows. So I'm just going to grab some ice, and I'm going to need about 5 to 6 ice cubes to get to 3/4 of a cup of ice, but I didn't go exactly from that. A lot of this recipe is just me eyeballing it, so I just poured it into a blender. You also need a 1/2 cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of marshmallow topping. I didn't feel like going out and buying marshmallow topping, so I just melted about 5 marshmallows, and that pretty much works. I'm not really sure what marshmallow topping looks like. It's so much trouble getting it inside. And I'm going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder and sugar, and I'm just going to go put that in my blender with some graham cracker crumbs, and I just added a ton of whipped cream, and all you have to do is now blend it. This recipe is so easy and quick, and you're just going to pour it into your little handy dandy cup and add some whipped cream and some graham crackers as your topping. So that's all I have for you guys in this drink. It's super easy and simple, and you guys gotta make it. Thank you guys so much for watching my fall DIY Starbucks drinks. Please comment down below if you guys ever decided to make them. Let me just tell you, they're so delicious and you won't regret making them. This is a great way to save some money on Starbucks drinks. Don't forget to check out Angeleen's channel and her video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And please comment down below what's your favorite thing about fall. I'd love to know. That's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys soon.